Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Shanae's Cooking. As always, thank you so much for your support. So today I'm going to be making a quick and delicious soup, cream of callaloo soup. This is my husband's favorite. He requested it, so his wish is my command. Alright, so my ingredients are some chopped callaloo, a stalk of celery, about a quarter teaspoon ginger, chopped scallion, chopped onion, a pack of Maggi Soup It Up vegetable soup mix, a can of coconut milk, a little bit of all-purpose flour, some black pepper, margarine, and some garlic powder. So let's make some cream of callaloo soup. Alright, so I have my saucepan. I'm going to be putting my flame on medium first. Next, I'm going to be adding a cup of water to my saucepan. Then I'm going to add the Maggi Soup It Up vegetable mix. I'm going to stir. And then I'm gonna add the cup of callaloo. I'm gonna stir this too. Then I'm gonna cover it and leave it to come to a boil. Alright, so now that it's boiling, I'm going to be adding my other vegetables to the mix. So I have about a quarter teaspoon shredded ginger, a stalk of chopped celery, a stalk of scallion or green onion, a sprig of thyme, some chopped onion, maybe about a tablespoon. So I'm gonna stir and leave it for maybe a minute or two until all the vegetables are cooked. Then I'm gonna leave it to completely cool, and then we move on to the next step. Alright guys, so my vegetables are completely cool. It should look something like this. So I'm just gonna remove the thyme from it, and then I'm gonna pour it inside the blender and puree everything. So I'm just removing the thyme right now. Alright, so now I'm gonna pour it inside the blender. Everything. Alright guys, so now that we're done pureeing the callaloo and the other vegetables, I have my saucepan on the stove. It's at medium flame. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of margarine. We're going to let that melt, and then we're going to add a tablespoon and a half of all-purpose flour. I'm going to be adding the flour now, and I'm going to be whisking the flour as I add it inside. And then I'm going to be adding the coconut milk slowly. Not all at once, but just slowly whisk in the coconut milk. To that, I'm going to be adding a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of black pepper. And we're going to whisk again. Alright, so that's it. Now I'm going to cover, let it simmer for about 2-3 minutes, and then we'll add the pureed vegetables. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding the pureed vegetables. So I'm gonna let this simmer for another 2 minutes, and then we'll show you what it looks like. And that's it. That's my cream of callaloo soup. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this one. And then after you've tried it, let me know again how you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.